Welcome back to the GSM workshop. I have started a new project as a maybe. So I'd like to get your opinion as well. What should I do or not do, or get some advice on it? I'll take you outside and have a look at it. It's in the not in the workshop. It's just outside my workshop. I still have the MGB in here, and I'll just flip the camera around. And you can see I still got the MGB here and the Ford Mustang in the shop. The MGB will be done fairly soon. I'll do a separate video on this one, but I want to take you outside and show you the next project. And it's not the Range Rover. Nor is it the Mini Cooper. No, but it's a 1977 Volkswagen bus. As you can see, it's pretty rough. We'll do a quick walk around the outside and I'll show you the inside. Yeah, we've got a quarter section here to replace. Got no gas cap. It's pretty disgusting. Section, actually this whole section will just be replaced. Front wheel arches all totally rotted out. As we go around the front. Front isn't too bad. It looks like he got painted with bed liner, truck bed liner at one time. Driver's door, pretty good condition really. Again, we get around here. Arches need doing. The sill section or bottom of this side panel needs to be replaced. This looks like it's got a dent in it as well. Oh, where am I? Sorry, this bit here. Paint has come off. It looks like somebody's tried to make up a sill section. We'll get rid of that. This rear quarter panel arch chopped out. This light section, get out of the sun, needs to be is okay. That one's okay. So that's the outside. Let's go through the passenger door. No, maybe I can't open a passenger door. Let's go through the driver's door. One of those other jobs to fix. So, we're inside. It needs a new instrument cluster. It's just really disgusting. There's mice being in here and all sorts. Headliner, yeah, it's pretty gone. It does have a factory sunroof. We'll see more of that in a minute. Passenger seat looks in fairly good condition. The driver's seat is kind of acceptable for now, but I think all the padding is gone. I'll actually go back around this way. See more of it. This is just a quick video. Let's have a look. The floor actually looks in pretty decent condition, as does the chassis underneath. When I get the engine started, that's another story I'll go into. We'll put up on a lift, but if we got rust in that corner over there, rust around this bottom of this B pillar here. So we can see it's got the factory sunroof, which needs some TLC as well. Rear seat seems actually pretty good condition. So that's a good plus. All the door cards will need to be replaced. Sliding door does work, but I did have to take out the catch to open it. And the back. Flip it up. I did have to do some finagling to get out here, and the rear tailgate is pretty rusty. I may be able to save it by letting in new steel, but I'm also going to be looking for a new tailgate as well, just in case. Look down in the engine. This is a 2-litre air-cooled with the Volkswagen electronic ignition system in it. Now, this is one of my concerns is, do I just ditch this right from the get-go and put a carbureted conversion in here, or should I attempt to resurrect this one? Seems to be two different types of thoughts on this. Let's have a look actually in the engine bay. Creak, creak. There it is, it's all complete. Just very dusty and grungy. Needs a new battery tray as well. Yeah, oil, if I can change hands here. Oh. It's got oil in it. Oh, there we go. And it doesn't look too bad, at least there's oil in it. Yeah, that's basically it. Oops, close that. Try and close this. Creak, creak. Yeah, stand back and have another look. What do you think, viewers? Is it worth restoring? And how long will it take? And how much will it cost? So, I think this is my next project. This is going to be a personal project. It's not a paying one for me. But anyway, thank you for this little quick video, watching this quick video. And please like and subscribe. Helps the channel along. I have more videos coming. I'll be doing one on the two cars in the shop as well, especially the MG as it's coming to an end. So that'll be coming in the next few days. Thank you for watching. And until next time, and follow the progress on the 1977 bay window T2 Volkswagen bus. Bye for now.